Hey, what's up, guys? This is Rapid Fields here from Mechanic Investors, and today I'm bringing you another trade recap as requested in chat. As requested in chat. So please, if you want to do something that will make me really happy and will really communicate to me that you guys like and what you guys seeing, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, there is no point for me to actually start making the videos and kind of put in the time and the effort to create such a thing. Anyways, aftermarket just closed. As you can see, it's 8:10 New York time, and today I had 5 trades. I had 5 trades, 1 loser. Here are the stats. I actually posted them on my Twitter. Here are my stats: 6 trades today, 5 winners, one loser, profit factor of 5.84. I corrected what happened yesterday, which is winning trades are I'm staying in the winning trades longer than the losing trades. So just cutting that losing trade short and just stay in the winning trade and try to milk it and kind of get as much profit as you can out of it. Actually, here we can kind of use this. This is the second and third short. I had 3 shorts on GME. So GME essentially was ramping up here towards that 140, came down, halted, bounced back up, and I shorted thinking this thing is gonna go all the way down, and I started seeing some buying going on down here, and then when it started getting bought back up off of that 129, I just bailed on the stock and then I covered more, and then most of my position actually, and then over 132 I just covered it all because I thought this thing is going to continue, and indeed this thing continued. As you can see right here, I covered and then it continued up. I'll bring the live charts in a second here. Just these are better zoomed in with the indicators. This one again, this thing was coming up from the bottom, ramping up all the way to 200 level, and it kind of started putting lower highs on the 1-minute chart, and I just scalped that move all the way to the moving average. Again, this thing getting extended, the volume getting extended, and then it was hitting this almost the 250 mark, and then I saw this wick. When I saw this wick, I joined in $10 later, right? And I grabbed roughly 30 points on per share. 30 points per share, guys. GME, it's nuts. Opportunities left and right. Make sure don't blow up on this thing. As you can see, my profit factor is 5.8. It's same as almost yesterday and every other day, just because I'm sizing in based on my risk. So I'm not swinging for the fences here. I don't want to be the hero that you want to see on TV. I'm trying to be cautious as much as possible because everybody knows. If you shorted 200, do you think this thing is gonna go 40 more bucks? If you short it here thinking this thing is gonna go back to 20 bucks, and it squeezes you 50 bucks, can your account take 50 bucks squeeze on full position? Let's say 2,000, 3,000 shares. Probably not. And if you do, why you have all that much cash in one account? That doesn't make sense. Anyways, let's bring the live charts. Where are the live charts? All right, here's the live charts. Anyway, so today I traded AMC. Here, let me cover my P&L. Cover my P&L, and you guys can see this is a real account. I don't want to show all my account number. This is a real account. This is not fake. I'm not paper trading here. So AMC. This is the last trade of the day actually, and it was a loss. Boom. Go figure. When you have a good day, usually you end up doing something stupid like this. What is my executions here? Let me fix this really quick. Show trades, show orders, commit. All right, here we go. Easy. Came down, shorted, reclaimed the trend line. I just built on the name. easy peasy, right? It was the last minute of the day. I didn't really notice until like I actually brought the clock. I was like, wow, this is the last minute. I'm not staying in this overnight. Sure, no way. I'll get in tomorrow. So this is definitely on watch. AMC. Actually, stock operator called was alerting us in chat about AMC right here around 550s. This thing went all the way to 850s now. So hopefully tomorrow it just gaps up and it ramps and we can do our thing from there. Anyways, that was the only trade on AMC today. The next one was Beyond, BYND, and my Beyond trade was literally as it bounced, made a new low, reclaimed. I grabbed it. I saw this 192 kind of holding, and I just bailed on the stock. Sure enough, that 129 here, as you can see, the bottom, it got stuck and it just came right back down. So I grabbed what I can, which was about roughly almost 2 points here, guys. 190 to 192. So almost a point and a half. Let's call it point and a half here. Point and a half, even though it doesn't look much, but this is a point and a half on full share size. I took a loss on this name early in the morning. Let's make this so I took a short. I shorted right here. I got stopped out, and then I re-shorted right here full size, and I ended up taking this is 90 right here. So I ended up taking almost 5 points on this name. As you can see, this is the 95 right here. So I shorted above the 95 and I covered right above the 90. So I grabbed roughly 5 points off of the on full size. Obviously, the stop loss was closer, so I was able to take more shares than this trade. So this trade, the stop loss was over there, so I had less shares because of my stop. And then here I was able to get because this is the lower high now, so I was able to lower my stop and get in earlier. So I was able to get in with more shares based on my risk, and I was able to capitalize way more points than my original stop. End up being a green trade. Anyways, GME, as I was mentioning on Twitter right here. Actually, I traded it way more. This is the halt. Let me go back to 1 minute or 2 minutes here. So this is the halt trade that I was talking about. Came up, shorted, covered, and then covered more when it started seeing the buying off of the 128, and then it kind of came back up over that 132. I covered most of the position, and then I was watching this again. I grabbed this over almost the 200 when it came over, closed the 200 again, failed to make a new high, shorted, covered, and I was able to capitalize roughly. What is that? This is 150, 185, and then this is the bottom that I was covering at 178. So this is $10. $10. This is $5. This is $10. Guys, the movements on GME unreal today. Excuse my lines are all over the place here. Let's remove all the lines, make it fresh ones if we need to. Again, this is the run towards that 250 that I was talking about. Couldn't quite make it, and it was running towards that 240 when it kind of topped in. When it topped in right here, I grabbed it short and I covered, and this one was 230 roughly to 203. These lows are 200, so this is $25 roughly, or $27. Washed to the downside. This is insane. And then I'm like, you know what, this thing looks weak, so let me just swing some. So I thought I'm gonna swing some. I got in super tiny position when it cracked the trend line, and I'm like, well, if this thing wants to go to 300, I'll add up there. Super tiny stop, tiny shares. So this thing did not actually do it, did not push to that 250 or 300. So I was like, I don't really want to do it, and I didn't want to add here when it broke the trend line. So when it came down, I was like waiting for the breakdown, did not break. Came down, did not break. One third time, I covered some, and then I put in this trend line right here. I was like, if it cracks this trend line to the upside, I'm gonna bail. Sure enough, this thing, it just cracks it. I get out. right away. The other trade that I did on it, again, it's the same concept, same everything, right? Cracks the trend line to the downside. I shorted, double bottomed, so I just covered here for a small profit. Sure enough to just see it washed later on. So it is what it is. That's life, I guess. Mac is the last name on the day. Let's see what I did here with Mac. Okay, so with Mac, again, trending up, trend reversal, shorted, ended up getting squeezed for a second here, covered, turned around, shorted again, covered on the over the VWAP, covered that, and I was done with it. So it was a good, decent trade. Again, all of them green, besides my last dumb trade after market. In the last 10 minutes of the market, I decide to give some profit away, just a donation for the market here for the good day, I guess. It is what it is. Again, these are my stats. Where is my stats? These are my stats for the day. Whoop. So these are my stats for the day. As I for today, 6 stickers, 5 winners, 1 loser. I got, as you can see right here, 5 consecutive wins throughout the day, and then I decide to take a loss on the day. So it is what it is. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Again, if you guys like those videos, communicate that to me by hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends, join our community, the Discord, follow us on Twitter, do all that stuff, stay connected with us, ask us questions if you need to. That's why we're here. We're trying to help. I'm getting so much good feedback from our community. Even like today, it was like, thank you for being here, and you helped me understand better the technical analysis and whatnot. And I really puts a smile on my face just seeing somebody telling me, oh, thank you, you really helped me with something. Because back then, when I used to be a beginner trader, I was all over the place, and everybody I asked for help, it would be like, oh, you gotta pay me X amount of money for my time, which is, I really understand. People's time kind of, it's valuable, right? But when I have some free time, I can help somebody change their life, change their family's life. Why not, right? Anyways, guys, I'm quitting rambling here. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.